Police! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Stop! Get out!
On March 18, 2023 in Washington, D.C., 2 officers opened fire on a suspect who was inside his vehicle. The officers were wearing body cams capturing the moments that led to the suspect's final moments, but it doesn't happen the way you may think it does. What happened in those few crucial seconds matters, and what the footage shows changes how this incident is perceived. The United States Park Police, better known for protecting national landmarks, rarely find themselves at the center of national controversy. But on that night in March, officers responded to a situation that escalated rapidly. According to officials, 2 USPP officers were involved. Both were wearing body-worn cameras, and both recordings would later become central to the public explanation of the nightmare that unfolded. At approximately 8:51 a.m., what seemed like a pretty simple task became an absolute nightmare. A Metropolitan Police officer responded to the 3400 block on Baker Street Northeast for a call of a suspicious vehicle. Upon arrival, this officer located an occupied and running vehicle. The officer observes the occupant of the vehicle, but realizes that he is asleep with a punched ignition. A punched ignition, for anyone who doesn't know, is a common sign to police that the car may have been stolen. The officer determined the vehicle was indeed stolen, and then called for additional units over the radio for assistance. The vehicle was parked near an intersection of 24th Street Northeast and Baker Street Northeast.
Car 512.
Car 512.
Hold me out at 34th and Baker Street. MPD just flagged me down. They got a call by a suspicious vehicle. We're going to approach the vehicle now.
34th and Baker, quadrant of the city.
512 Northeast.
10-4, station's, radio courtesy, please.
512, there's one appears to be asleep. The ignition's punched out, so maybe stolen.
10-4, copy, occupied and possibly stolen. 0903.
Public Woman route, start, MPD.
10-4, hereby or MPD.
While the police department and United States Park Police officers were trying to detain the driver in the suspected stolen car, the occupant had other ideas. This horrifying footage has been partly blurred out to follow YouTube's community guidelines. The following footage you're about to see is the body cam recording of officer number 1, who was the only officer in the car when the occupant sped off.
Unlock the door from the exterior. If the door opens quietly, he's still knocked out, then I'll move away. Somebody just has to jack him. He's got his hands up.
So the last guy too, him and I will yank him out. Or do you want to be hands guy?
Well, my other question is, have we looked to see if it's in drive or park? And is it still running? Is it still running? Okay. Because I saw it running earlier, but then I didn't see the
No, it's running. It's in park. He's knocked out. Like he's literally.
No, yeah. So like, I just want to make sure that we don't have anyone on our end or your end that if he like throws it in drive, it's a foot run over or side swiped, or if he throws it in reverse. I just want everyone to
So the best way is cut out that plastic.
Yeah, unlock it, yank him.
Carefully and quietly try to unlock the door. If that works and we're able to open the door, he's still knocked out. Then we can reach in and pull him out before he gets to the gear. But we're not going to go in there if he's starting it up because he's going to wake up and drive and let him go at that point.
I'm fine with that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we don't want anybody to get caught in the middle of that door. So I think cut out that plastic, try to unlock the door once again. If it opens and he's still knocked out, then we try to make room. Quickly just jump in there, grab him, grab his hands, don't let him put it in drive and we'll go with it.
Okay.
The officers clearly had a plan that they were going to use to safely detain the suspect. But let's watch the rest and see what unfolds.
Please, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move. Got him. Get out. Stop. Stop, man, just let me out. Let me out. Stop, stop, bro, shoot. Stop. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Don't move.
After officers attempted to detain the driver, the vehicle accelerated at a high speed and crashed into a house approximately 100 meters down the road. Officer 1 was inside the vehicle when the occupant sped off, and Officer 2 was dragged by the moving vehicle while on the exterior of the car. Officer 1 gave verbal commands for the driver to stop, but once the driver was unwilling to comply, the officer opened fire. Now we will show you the body cam footage from Officer 2.
Please, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move. You good? Stop, man, just let me out. Let me out. Stop, stop, bro, shoot. Stop. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Don't move. Don't move! Shots fired! Shots fired! 5-12!
Shots fired, right? Okay.
Don't fucking move!
502 calling. 502 all fine. Stand by. Start diesel. Shots fired. I'm advising. 502.
Good, bro?
The vehicle caused structural damage to the property. Thankfully, there were no physical injuries reported by anyone inside the home. The officers immediately jumped to the aid of the suspect and performed CPR. Unfortunately, the driver was pronounced deceased at the scene. The suspect was identified as 17-year-old Dalaneo Martin, a Washington, D.C. resident. A firearm was recovered inside the vehicle. It was published to the police department in March 23, 2023 press release. Whether or not the firearm was his or the owner of the vehicle is unknown. Both officers were transported to an area hospital for treatment. These officers have not been publicly identified. So why did they release the footage? The United States Park Police released a community briefing video. Not the full raw footage, but selected segments from both officers' cameras. Their stated reason? Transparency. To help the public better understand what occurred. Certain details were redacted, faces blurred, audio removed. Officials cited privacy and the ongoing investigative process. Body camera footage does something statements can't. It locks events in time. Viewers aren't told what to think. They're shown what happened. And that raises a difficult question. Does transparency explain the shooting? Or does it simply expose how quickly these moments spiral out of control? As of today, the incident remains part of the official record, documented frame by frame, second by second. And once footage like this is released, it can't be unseen. Because in true crime, the most disturbing evidence isn't speculation, it's reality in real time. On justice.gov, it states there to be no charges filed against the United States Park Police officer. The Attorney's Office for the District of Columbia, such a chilling chain of events that happened so quickly. Maybe the officer feared for his own life too. We are all just humans after all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.